Hey y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. Road trip. We're gonna follow them motorcycles. We're out of here. So long, quartzite. Going to take a short little trip, overnighter. We're gonna go up through Brenda, Salome, Wenden, then all the way up to Alamo State Park. Been wanting to go there forever. Gonna have a little opportunity to do it today, so let's take advantage of it. Yay! Get on this busy I-10. We're heading east. We're going to go up and pick up on Highway 60. Then we'll stay on that all the way up through Brenda and Salome and whatnot. You'll see. Away we go. Here's our exit. Exit 31. This is US 60. This thing will take you clear into Prescott if you go far enough on it. Pretty ride, very pretty. Here's the big town of Brenda. I've filmed this a few times. There's a lot of RV resorts and parks here. A lot of people like staying here. They got a cute little store called Buckaroo's Country Store. You can get food and supplies. This is definitely ATV area. There's dirt trails everywhere. You can go all over the region. Hundreds of miles of trails. A lot of people like staying out here. I wouldn't mind it. I never have yet. One of these years I will come out here and stay. You see a lot of park models out here too, a lot of mobile homes. Especially this park right out here to the right, that one. Cool. Alright, but we're keep on trucking. We're heading to Salome. Kind of flattens out through here. Bunch of farmland coming up. Huge farmlands. And here's a roundabout out in the middle of the desert. We're kind of going parallel along with I-10. That'd be off to the right, to the south of us. 60 kind of runs parallel for quite a ways. This area is called Vicksburg. There's cattle farms, all kinds of agriculture out here. And go down that direction. I think I-10 would be about 7 or 8 miles down that way. Kind of a neat ride out through here. But to see a roundabout out here in the middle of nowhere, you can just see how flat everything is. Goodness. Now you can see the greenery of the agriculture fields. And that cattle ranch farm down that direction is massive. Absolutely massive. Then we're heading to the hills. We're going to keep right on trucking. And up next, it's a tiny little community. And it's called Hope. They got Hope there. But it's kind of neat. We're going to run through there in just a sec. Welcome to Hope. Off to the right there is a very large RV resort called Ramblin' Roads. A lot of people stay out here. I had friends that stay out here. They love it. Absolutely love it. Big old RV park. Then part of this, we're on Highway 60, but off to the left is Highway 72, which would take you straight up to Bouse and back into Parker. Big old intersection there. You got the little Church of Hope. Just a neat little stop. Always cool to see. I like driving through here. I'd rather take this road any day than Interstate 10. And it is a little longer, yeah. Slower, yeah. But much more scenic. Just much. Oh, and off to the left, they got the best sign you'd ever want to see in your life. And it says, "You're now beyond hope." Isn't that good? That's priceless marketing right there. A lot of people stop and get selfies of that sign. You're beyond hope. All right, we're going to keep on trucking. Salome is only a few miles right up the road. Pretty ride through here. The railroad tracks follow along. Once in a while you catch a train running through here. Huge towering cactus all over the place. This rocky and rugged, good old desert. Alright, right up here, this is its own little community. I'm not going to stop. Let's do this. I'll just let the dash cam pick it up. There's an RV park here. Couple RV parks right in here. Look at that. 15 bucks a night. Wow, not bad. Then they got little shops. They used to sell pottery. Maybe they still do. There's a bar and restaurant up here. Looks like they're open. See a bunch of cars there. It was always kind of cool, that pottery shop. Oh, it's up the other side of this bar. Then they had flea markets out here too. Look at the horse up there in the pole. Here it is, pottery gifts right there on the right. Plus, there is one big KOA out here. They've been here a long time. So a lot of people, you know, they don't care for quartzite. They come out this direction, spend the entire winter. Totally different. You're a lot closer to Phoenix coming out this way. Wickenburg, Phoenix, all that area too. So if you like the big town shopping, you're definitely out here. All right, enough of that. Let's get back on the road. That was your 29-cent tour. We're just a couple miles out of Salome now. There's another one of those places that used to sell pottery. And this little building on the right was an old-time gas station. They converted it into a little flea market. You always see stuff there. Well, we're getting into Salome. This is a little farming town. A lot of farm workers live here. It's just its own little world. Kind of cool, really. We're still in La Paz County, where she danced, Salome, Arizona. I'm sure there's a story to that, where she danced. But here we are heading into town. Agriculture everywhere. There's a bar up here. Look at that elevation, 1,800 feet. I didn't realize that. Huh. Then there's like hardware stores, tire shops. There's the auto parts there. Definitely farm related. But it's a historic place. Here's that little bar up here on the left called Cactus Bar, something like that. You always see them advertise. They advertise down in Quartzsite. People come up and eat. It's supposed to be really good. They got entertainment there. Right there. Cactus Bar. Right in Salome. There's a motel here. A few little shops. This is Smalltown, USA. All day long. That road there takes you all the way back down to I-10. You're about 20 miles down that direction. You'd be right back on the interstate. But we're not. We're going to keep on trucking. Hey, we got a dollar store. Yeah. All small towns have dollar stores. Cool. So if you get a chance, want something different, get out here to Salome. Spend a little time. Definitely different. And you're not that far from a Quartzsite. You're maybe, I don't know, 40 miles, 40 some miles maybe. Not bad. Pretty place. We'll continue on 60 here. About 6 miles up the road, there's a little town called Wenden. That's where we're going to make our turn off to go up to Alamo State Park. Alamo Lake State Park. That cloud cover is nice, kind of knocking the heat down. Right here on the right, there's a gas station. That's also a little market. Buy food there. Stock up. I'm sure that's the local gossip section. Another RV park on the right. Cool. And here we are. We're heading into Wenden. This is right at the edge of La Paz County, too. This is the last town, I think, in La Paz County. Shows you how big La Paz County is, how many. It covers thousands of square miles. They got little stores and shops. Not much. Look at this old building. Goodness. We're going to make a left here, and you just seen Wenden. Smalltown, USA. The journey continues. Talk soon.